Hi guys, so today I'm gonna make an authentic Mexican guacamole. This is the kind of guacamole that I used to buy at the Mexican grocery store. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it, and here are the ingredients that we need. We need 3 avocados, 2 tomatoes, and then 2 lime. Don't ever use lemon because it doesn't taste good. And then we need salt. We need ground black pepper. And the most important one is the cilantro or the coriander. Cilantro will make the guacamole taste fresh. And also guys, we will be needing 1 whole white onion. Don't ever use red onion, okay? Because it really doesn't taste good. And a big mixing bowl so we can mix it evenly. It's a beautiful day, guys. Here it's Sunday and perfect to have some guacamole. And so let's begin. And so in here I already cut some of the ingredients, and here's the tomato which I cut into small dice. I only use 1 tomato, and here 1 whole white onion, and I cut it into small dice too. So I decided to just use 1 tomato because if I put a lot, it adds sourness to my guacamole. And I like onions a lot. So I decided to put more onion than tomatoes. And here guys, here's the lime. I cut into this shape so it's easier for me to squeeze out the juice, unless you have the squeezer, which is very convenient. But if you don't have, you can just cut it this way. So for the avocados, I'm gonna cut it later because it will turn black if you don't gonna use it right away. So I'll cut it and use it straight later. And now let's start mixing the ingredients, okay? So first we're gonna put the onions and the tomatoes. So we'll mix it well. And then we're gonna squeeze some lime on it. The lime helps retain the moisture, making the onion and tomato fresh. And then we're gonna mix and mix. And after that, we're gonna add some salt, just a little salt. And then we're gonna add ground black pepper. And this time, we'll just need a little bit of it because we're gonna add some more later on. And then we're gonna mix again, mix it well. So now this is the perfect time to cut the avocados. We're gonna cut it and put it straight to the bowl. So here's our avocado, guys. It's so delicious, and we are just lucky here. We have avocados all year round. So let's use the spoon to scoop it out straight to the bowl. And so in here, I only use two avocados, like the medium size. So after this, guys, we're gonna mash the avocado using this spoon. Actually, it's not that you're gonna mash it too much. It is just enough to make it into small pieces because we want our guacamole to be chunky. And after this, we're gonna squeeze some lime on it. So, as what I've said, the lime will retain the moisture of the fruit or vegetable, and for the avocados, it will keep its color looking fresh. Like if you don't put lime, it will turn into black. And then we'll mix it up again. Mix it well until the avocado is like a cream, but there's still some chunky bits on it. And now we're gonna add our coriander or the cilantro that we cut into small pieces like this. So this what makes the guacamole taste so fresh. We add the cilantro and then we're gonna add some ground black pepper again. It's up to you guys if you want a lot of pepper on it or what, so it depends on your taste. And also we add additional salt, and it's up to you how much level of saltiness that you want for your guacamole. And after that, we're gonna mix and mix it well. And so let's taste it. And this time, you can adjust the sourness or the saltiness of your guacamole. So you can add salt or lime on it. And then we'll mix it again. And after that, we're gonna add some more cilantro. But not a lot of it, but we'll just add for the finish mixing. And then this time, guys, we don't need to like mix it so well. We're just gonna like fold it. And now we're done with our guacamole and we're gonna transfer it to a bowl. And finally, here's our fresh homemade guacamole. I so love this, guys, especially if you partnered it with the chips or tortilla, the tortilla chips. And for me, I usually make guacamole whenever I cook fried pork belly. It's the best, guys. The good thing about making your own guacamole or your salsa is that you know that your ingredients are fresh and no preservatives on it. And most of all, aside that it's very easy to make, you will save a lot of money because in the groceries it will cost you like $8 to $10 to buy like a small tub of guacamole. But if you make it, you can have like unlimited guacamole as much as you want. So here guys, look how pretty it is. That avocado green color looks so beautiful. And thanks for the lime for preserving the color. And it is so chunky. Like you can see the avocado bits because we didn't mash it so well. This is the perfect guacamole, guys. And then we're gonna cover it with cling wrap so we will retain its freshness, and we can store this for up to 3 days in our fridge. So that's how good it is, guys. So just cover it with cling wrap and you're good for 3 days to have the unlimited guacamole that you want. And so, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video of our guacamole making.